We now move on to another social platform which is widely used by youngsters these days, known as Instagram. Let us now see how we can get started with Instagram and how can businesses benefit with Instagram. Why should businesses use Instagram? Because Instagram is a visual-led platform, it helps you put visual content first. Video content or visual content connects the most with the audience these days. Instagram as a platform is a less cluttered platform and hence gives clarity to the content that is served to the audience. Unlike Twitter, Instagram doesn't have any character limits, which means you can share your brand message without any character limits with your audience. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter all have different algorithms which does not deliver all your content to the audience. But Instagram algorithms are made a little differently, which means that it would not hide your content and the audience will be able to consume all the content that you publish for them. Instagram as a platform has a lot of unique features which helps brands connect with the audience in a better visually appealing manner. Because mobile is dominating the industry right now, Instagram, which is born as a mobile app, is the correct medium to connect with the mobile audience. We will now see how you can build your presence on Instagram. The first and foremost thing that you need to do to build your presence is have an Instagram strategy which is created by establishing your Instagram goals. These Instagram strategy goals should definitely tie back to your business goals. The objective to be on the platform should be in sync with your business objectives. Make sure that the content strategy that you make for Instagram is made using the mission statement of your brand. Once you have decided this, give more weightage in building your Instagram brand. You can do that by first getting started with the app, then posting and engaging with the audience with appealing content, and measuring your performance through Instagram analytics. Before we move on to different factors, let us first understand some of the best practices that businesses could use to be on Instagram. Make sure that when you build your brand on Instagram, it caters to the interests and expectations that your audience has. Use captions that say a story. Definitely use hashtags because that is how people can look for or search for your content on Instagram. Because Instagram is a very visual-led platform, it proves to be a great platform for conducting contests. Also consider collaborating or tying up with popular Instagrammers or influencers from your field or industry who are present on Instagram. You can also make use of Instagram's currently rolled out advertising platform. This platform is still progressing, but the features available as of now also tend to be useful for businesses.